Welcome. This is a new app that's out called Dosh. It's been out for a while. It's very popular. You get cash back on different places like Sam's Club, Denny's. There's a number of companies up here that you can see, Hallmark, and it goes on and goes on. Also, with travel, you get $25 on your first hotel booking. That's kind of sweet. So you get cash back on booking your first hotel. Also, it makes it easy for you to share on Twitter, Facebook, also email. And also, it has, when you hit share, it has different pictures that you can share on their social media to help you promote it if you want to share for referrals. So you get $5 for each referral you get. Also, you have to link your card. I link my PayPal. You can link your PayPal. I don't know what other types of cards that you can link up, but so far it's pretty good. Just sitting over here giving you my input on it. So far, so good. $5.